Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can turn 100 naira into thousands and thousands of naira and even millions of naira. This is something that I have seen with my eyes. It works. It works, guys. So I'm going to show you how you can create yours. My dear, it's better you just watch this video carefully so that you don't miss out on any detail, because this is legit. It works. This platform allows you to be able to save conveniently and also to be able to earn money, even more conveniently. My dear, you snooze on this one, you lose. Oh, so I'm going to take you into my phone screen right now and show you this step-by-step process of how you can create yours. All right, let's jump into the phone screen right now. And please don't forget, please, Biko, Ejo, Sonu, don't Allah, subscribe. Thank you very much. And like the video, it actually helps to drive traffic to this video. So please like the video. And whatever questions you have, don't worry, you can place them in the comment section. I will definitely respond to your questions. Alright, let's quickly go. No time to waste. So guys, what you want to do is to tap on the drop down menu that is right under this video. It's going to lead you to my description box where you're going to see the link to the PiggyVest platform. Then you just click on the link. Alright, it's going to bring you to the PiggyVest platform. Okay, cookie notification. Okay, accept. So yeah, once you are here, what you want to do is to create free account. It says PiggyVest, the better way to save and invest. PiggyVest helps over 3 million customers achieve their financial goals by helping them save and invest with ease. So tap on create free account. Yeah, so once you do that, it's going to bring out this page where you have to fill in your biodata. It says create a secure account. Welcome to the future of savings and investment. So full name, you type in your full name. Let me type in my own name. Then your email address. Please make sure you use a working email address. Okay. Then your phone number. So please make sure you don't use your phone number as your password, okay? Use something that's very strong for your password. Now, the referral phone or code, so just type in my own phone number. How did you hear about us? You can just click on the drop down menu to see this. Just tap on anyone. Let me put the co-worker address, then create account. So yeah, my Gmail just notified me that a verification link has been sent from PiggyVest. So yeah, let's go. So after we go there, we have to come back to do all of these tasks. So let's go to my so here, yeah. So it says, hi Glory, thank you for creating your account on PiggyVest. For security purposes, please click the below link to verify your email address. So yeah, I'm just going to click on this link. So okay, so yeah, I just clicked on it. So it says email verification, awesome, email verified, proceed to your dashboard. So now you can proceed to the dashboard. So I'm going to tap on go to dashboard. So here it says secure login. So yeah, it says we should log in again. So you log in with the email address that you used when signing up. Okay, so yeah, I already typed in my email address and password, so I'm just going to tap on secure login. So it says log into your account, securely log into your PiggyVest account. It says email or phone number. Let me type in my email and then you log in, because we need to finish up setting the whole profile. So yeah, it has brought me back to this page. So it says to-do list. The first one, if you notice, the first one was verify your email address. Now the next one, that one is gone. Do you understand? So as you do it, they check it for you and remove it. So now the next one on the to-do list is add your BVN or NIN now. So add your BVN. So you can either use your BVN or the NIN, but I think it says right now that the NIN is paused. So for now you have to use your BVN. So let me tap on this. You can verify your identity on PiggyVest through your BVN or NIN. So use your BVN. So that's your bank verification number. So connect your BVN. It says, why do we ask for your BVN? To confirm your identity on PiggyVest, you need to connect your BVN. This does not give PiggyVest any access to your bank information or balances. This just enables PiggyVest confirm your identity, real name, phone number, and date of birth from your bank. So I'm going to type in my BVN. For those of you who do not know your BVN, you can just type on your phone *565*0# and it's going to bring out your BVN. So far it is the same number that you used, the same phone number you used when signing up for that account, for your bank account. Okay, so it's going to bring it out. If not, you could always go to the bank, or just go to the bank, the nearest location, and then get it. So I'm going to type in my BVN. So it says you will get an SMS from PiggyVest with the OTP code. So let me just go back and so it says BVN saved to profile. Okay, now tell us more about yourself. Gender, you just tap on the drop down menu, female. So when you're done, you just tap information submitted successfully. Then the next, securely add a valid debit card, because through the so now that it has done, it says please tap the button below to authenticate your bank. So tap authenticate. Paste stack authorization. You are being redirected to your bank to protect your card against unauthorized use. Okay, so let's just chill for what's next. For added security, you will need to input a one-time passcode, either sent to your mobile number, generated by your physical token, or okay, that means you're going to send me a passcode. So payment successful, done. So now you can see that in my account I have 100 naira in my total savings. So there's a lot that you can do once you are here. You can set up automatic savings. Okay, this way it automatically saves a particular amount of money from your bank, whether 50 naira or 100 naira. It depends on you. So you can just type it here, whatever amount that you want. Where it says savings info, auto save deposit, you can just type the amount. Then you turn on the auto save. Right now mine is still off. I just created it. So yeah. And then the thing is, once this PiggyVest is usually attached to your bank, so when they are saving the money for you, when they are withdrawing it to your PiggyVest account from your bank account, your bank is not going to charge you any interest. Do you understand? So they're not going to remove any transaction fee or anything. Do you understand? So yeah. Wait, let's go back. Another thing is you can Safelock any amount here. You can, like now, you can Safelock 50,000 naira for about 61 to 90 days. So it's going to be in your account. You're not going to be able to withdraw it until that time. Then you can be able to. So it's just for you to be able to save a lot of money. Do you understand? Then you can set your security question so that you know that your account is very safe. Then also you can refer a friend and earn 1,000 naira bonus. So for each friend that you refer, you get 1,000 naira bonus. Now imagine you tell 10 people, you get 10,000 naira. You refer 200 people, automatically once they sign up, you're getting
200,000 naira. Do you understand? So you can make money from this, and at the same time you can save your money here. So now for us to be able to get our referral link, you can go to your account and you just scroll down to where you see refer and earn 1,000 naira. So you just tap on it. So once you tap on it, you see earn 1,000 naira per referral, and then you can copy your referral message and link. So this is, they already put it there for you. I use PiggyVest to save and invest securely. Sign up with my link and get 1,000 naira to start your own savings journey. So you see, so you can just copy it and then you post it. Now, one very good thing, this is where you start earning a lot of money. Now with this link, you can post it on your social media pages, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, like everywhere, Messenger, everywhere. Tell your family and friends. For each person that signs up, you earn 1,000 naira. Now imagine 20, 100, 500 people sign up. Imagine how much you're going to be getting.
One good thing is PiggyVest will send you receipt for every transaction that you make on their platform to your email, just like they did here. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.